This is the Fleetwood Bounder. Look at that price. That price is $106,000 cheaper. Now the Fleetwood Bounder is a motorhome that one of the content creators that I've been watching over time really have this. So I wanted to see what this looks like, and I was surprised at how nice the interior was of the Fleetwood. This is a motorhome, and it's a true home away from home. Nice queen size. That's a king size bed in that place. King size bed is nice. Lots of space, lots of storage. 2.5. I guess it's 2 baths. In the master bedroom. That's nice. Then going back towards the front.
Oh yeah, right here.
Someone can sleep there, and someone can sleep in the kitchen area, and above the driver in the passenger seat there's a drop down place where kids can sleep too. So it's pretty nice. Lots of space, lots of, look at that. This is nice. But that price, that Hershey RV show price, was an outstanding price, and this falls into that affordable range. You know, for those of you who have a good travel trailer and a truck, you put it together, and this is the price that you pay. You could pay that price and have a motorhome, a true motorhome, to travel with. So 1.5 baths. And
Wash and dryer.
Newmar. This is a nice one. This is a, just look at that cabinetry, lots of space.
A safe. Storage. I don't know what the stairs are for. Storage up there too. Oh look. Storage over here. Lots of storage.
Yeah, this one has space everywhere, and I just like the color of the cabinets. That it just gives off a higher premium feel. TV. Just look at that space. Nice. Some toilet, sink. And it has a 2-burner cooktop, electrical cooktop there. The dishwasher at the bottom, lots of space. I guess that's the remotes for 4 different TVs. And the windows, lots of windows, so that you're able to look out and enjoy the view. Full-size refrigerator. Nice. Lots of cabinetry. Okay. All right. More cabinets galore. More cabinets galore.
Oh yeah. Pretty familiar with Newmar?
Yeah. Just trying to figure out the best one to look at.
I gotcha. Yeah, because those guys can be also moved as well on that side. And you can have a larger window put in.
Really?
You can also have deeper cabinets put in as well. There's options. But you can eliminate those cabinets over there. Like.